Hello once again and welcome to my channel, helical tutorials. Now this video is for beginners in AutoCAD, and here I'll be showing you how you can use the helix command to create 3D solid objects like the one I have right here. So here is a screw feeder. So here is the screw and this is the shaft. So I'm going to use the helix command and the press loop command to create this very object. So without wasting much time, I'll open up a new page and start this drawing afresh so that you can follow on how I created this. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a new page. So I'll have to set up my drawing right here. So I'll have to start with the front view. So come to the view panel, click here and choose front. And also I'll have to choose 3D modeling as a workspace. So either come up here, click on this arrow and choose 3D modeling, or come down to the status bar and click on this star icon and click 3D modeling. Okay, so I have to move this UCS away from here. Come over here, click on this arrow and click on this. Alright, so first I'll have to start with the circle command. So come to the draw panel, click on this arrow right here and choose center diameter. So I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 400, which is diameter of the screw. Enter 400 as diameter. Okay, so I'll draw another circle of 60, which is the diameter of the shaft. So come again here and click on the circle command, get the center of this bigger one and enter 60 as the diameter of the shaft. Okay, so I will now have to create a profile for the thread. Now I've used the rectangle command to do that. So come to the draw panel, click on the rectangle command and draw a rectangle of 10 by 180, 10 by 180, which is the thickness of the thread. Okay, so I will move this rectangle, right click, pick it from this midpoint and bring it down, drop it right here. So I'm going to do some trimming right here. So click on the trim command and trim out this portion. Enter. Now you can use the arc command to create an arc here. So come over to the draw panel, click on this and choose start end direction arc. Click on start end direction arc. Click here as the start, here as the end, and generate an arc that will lap with this. That'll be alright. Okay, so now I will use the join command to join this and this. So click on modify panel, click on join, and join this and this. Okay. So I will now switch this view to isometric view. So come to the view panel, click and choose southeast isometric. Okay. So I'll now draw a line of 2000 units, which is the length of this screw feeder. Click on line command, locate the center of this circle, and draw a line. You can check the auto mode to keep this line steady, and draw a line of 2000 units to an SCS command. Okay, so I will now use the helix command to draw a helix right here. So come to the draw panel, click on this and click on the helix. Now specify center point of base. Now choose here as center point and click on the quadrant point of this circle as the base, as the base point. and also specify the same spot as the top radius. Okay. Now I have to enter a number of turns that I want here, so I'll make it 8 turns. 8 turns of this helix. So what I'll do here is to right click on turns, then enter 8. Then I'll also specify the height. The height is the end of this very line, so click here to terminate that. Okay, so here is the helix. So what I'll do next here is to extrude this square here along the path of this helix. So come over to the modeling panel and click on helix. Then click on this rectangle. Right click and enter. Then I will extrude it along the path of this helix. So I'll right click again and click on path. Then click on the helix. Okay, so the thread has been formed. So next I'm going to extrude this circle along the path of this line. So come again to the modeling panel and click on extrude. Then click on this circle. Right click and enter. Right click on path again and click on this line. Okay. So again I'm going to press pull this face out to a length of 100 units. So come to the modeling panel again, click on the press pull command and click on this face and pull it out by 100 units and exit this command. Okay, so turn it around again. Also press pull this face out to a distance of 100. Click on the press pull command again and click on this face and pull it out by 100 and exit this command. Okay. You can delete this circle. Okay. So here is the screw now completed. So you can practice this on your own. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.